This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Hammond. Enjoy the lake views and awesome sunsets from this newly updated, 4th floor Lake Vista Condo. The open floor plan includes wood flooring throughout, custom built-in window seat and shelving, designer light fixtures, fans and crown molding throughout. The kitchen features a breakfast bar, new Dekton counter, pantry, wood cabinets, tile backsplash, and new high-end appliances. Laundry room is outfitted with a new washer/dryer, utility tub, storage closet and new cabinets. Lake view from the master suite, which has 2 custom-built walk-in closets, updated master bath with new countertops, dual vanities, new walk-in shower, bath fixtures, garden tub, and automatic blinds. Spacious bedrooms include plantation shutters, fans and built-ins. The lanai has hurricane shutters. The air conditioner, with humidistat, ionic filter and heat pump is new, as is the water heater, which has a lifetime warrant. This unit includes 3 parking spaces in the covered garage. Lake Vista offers a serene and secluded location just off Lakewood Ranch Blvd with resort-style clubhouse, heated pool/spa, fitness center. Close to dining, theater, shops, I-75, University Town Center, healthcare providers, among the many amenities of Lakewood Ranch. The white sandy beaches of the Gulf of Mexico are a short drive away. Close to Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport. For more information, review the details below.